Hi, my name is Kaceli. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to add questions to a learning set in Cerego based off a script. Cerego is an adaptive learning platform that uses artificial intelligence to reinforce concepts in a course. So once we log into Cerego, we go and locate our course and then either create a new learning set by going here under assignments and then choose add and then new learning set. Give it a name and then click on create. Now, if you want to use an existing learning set and simply add the questions to it, click on that learning set. In my case, I'm going to choose learning set 2 and click on edit assignment. Now from here, you can create questions in a couple ways. You can create a page with content first, or you can create them manually. In our case, I'm going to demonstrate how we can create a page with content from a script for a video that we have, and then use Cerego to identify the questions for us, and then we go and modify those questions that we select. If you want to learn to create those questions manually, please refer to the other video on creating questions manually in a learning set in Cerego. So here I have this script. It talks primarily about the role of the Commander-in-Chief and the White House and Vice President and so on in the government. I'll go ahead and copy it. And then we go here under Cerego. And then we click Create a Page. We are going to simply give it a title initially, and then click on Add Text in the bottom. Now in the text area, we're going to paste the script that we copied, and then click on Done. You can use this content for students to read it, and you can leave it there, or you can use it to just create these questions initially. Notice it says click on the underlined words or highlight anything and we'll create a question and answer for you. Let's say we want to emphasize to base the question on the executive branch on this statement. So this would be our question, and we want to have it based on the word executive branch. That will be our correct answer in that case. We click here on executive branch. And notice now on the left-hand side, there is this new entry created. We click on it, and this will have created the question for us, including all the detractors as well. So now we can further modify this question if we prefer to, and also verify the correct answer and the detractors, and make modifications if we want to. Notice we also have different smart answers that we can replace these with. So let's say we are happy with this question, then we leave it alone. If we don't want it whatsoever, we can press delete and start again. Next, we go back to our script and then pick a different section here. So let's say this statement, the Vice President is also part of the executive branch ready to assume the presidency. So we can click here on Vice President and the system will create a new question for us. And if we are happy with it, we let it be and then go back to our script and then develop the additional options. So let's say we want this phrase from here or this sentence. We can click also here where it says click to view it, or it's going to be on the left-hand side, and adjust the answers as needed. Once we are done with the script, if we don't want it here as part of our activity, then we can simply click Settings and then press Delete. Now to preview this, we can go to the first question, click on Preview, and if we determine that we want the script to be part of the student learning, then they'll need to click on Got It, go to the next page, and then the system will present them with the questions. Students will pick the questions, submit the answers. If they got it right, then they'll continue to the next question and so on. For the questions that their memory is fading, it will prompt them within a certain number of hours or days to practice again. Keep in mind that it takes about 10 days for students to reach retention level 2 as part of the learning activity. And as I finish this video as well, it is important that those questions be key concepts that you want the students to remember once they finish this course. So I hope you found this helpful. Please feel free to check out the other videos related to using Cerego, which is now part of memory.